It's a fairy tale. Here, eat it.
Ew, no, you eat it.
I'll show you.
What's up, guys? It's Harlow here and Mommy here. Welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, click subscribe and give me a huge thumbs up. Today, guys, we're gonna do this game that my mom just got me.
Bubblegum Factory.
It's called Bubblegum Factory. So this is the box. Oh, and also, we're not supposed to play this. Well, I'm not supposed to play this. See? Look, guys, you see this? You see that?
Oh yes, it's for ages 8+. So when you see this, guys, you need adult supervision if you're not 8 or older. So since I'm the mommy.
So I can play with my mama.
Yes.
And I'm going to show you the ingredients. First, we have spoon. Second, we have bowl. Second, we have a rolling thing. Don't know, we didn't have. Number 4, we have food coloring.
Yeah, we have different colors.
Yes. Red. Blue. Green. And yellowish. Reddish. I need help because these hurt my feet so bad. I'll get them out.
Sure.
I'll get it out. These are the instructions. And the gum balls that we're gonna make it into gum. Then we can eat them.
A whole bunch of stuff in there.
And the juice. Oh,
And the instructions.
these are the instructions.
This is the flavor. This is mint flavor, blueberry flavor, and watermelon flavor. Which flavor, Harlow, do you think you're gonna try first? Do you think the mint flavor?
All of them.
You're gonna mix them. All? Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay. So now we're gonna head to the kitchen, and we're gonna do we're gonna put the. So let's cut this. Excuse me, Harlow. Harlow, can I? You can try. Okay, Harlow's gonna try to cut it. Okay, so just.
Guys, remember, don't play with scissors.
Mhm.
Even when you have an adult.
Yeah. Hold on.
You can only have scissors when you have an adult.
Yeah. Okay. So you always hold it. Oh, I think we can just tear it here.
Yeah.
I got it. Maybe we'll use the scissors for something else.
We didn't even need to use scissors.
Yeah. Okay. So can you get your spoon? Okay. Oh, that's a good idea. Let's scoop it. Not too much. Well, that's too big, Harlow. Hold on. That should be fine. Put a little more. A little. A little half. No, that's too much. Like that. Perfect. Yes. There you go. Okay, so this is what we have.
And now we have to microwave it for 15 and 20 seconds, and we can keep going, and we have to keep going when it's smooth.
Little mess. So it says step 1. Step 1 is to mix it. It says add 1 tablespoon of gum base to a disposable microwave cup. Cover the gum base with water. Heat it in the microwave for 10 to 15 seconds using an oven mitt. Remove the cup and pour out the water into another cup, keeping the gum base in the original cup. Where are you going?
Wait, should we have activator?
No, we're eating this. We can't have activator. Okay, Harlow. So can you open this for me? Alright. So we're gonna pour the water in. It says cover it, so I guess that should be good. Okay. And now let's go ahead and head to the microwave.
We're back.
Alright. Okay guys, so look, it's this is how it should be. We poured the water out, and when you touch them, look, it should be like, you can be able to like flatten it. Like
We should do it before it gets hard again.
That's true. Add 1 tablespoon of corn syrup. So a tablespoon. So this is where we need the scissors. Yes. this one is very messy.
Don't worry,
Okay.
I want to do it right here.
Yes,
Right here.
that's fine, perfect. Yep, good. Is it going? I think that's good. Let's try.
I want to whip it.
All right, that's good. So now we're gonna take your spoon, and it says to pour 1 tablespoon.
I want to.
You're gonna squeeze it. It's because it's very thick, so you're gonna squeeze like this. Can you guys see that? Let's move it closer so they can see. You guys see that?
Can you see it?
Oh, it's like slime.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's some thick corn syrup.
Yeah.
All right, let me see. Okay, we put that in that bowl there. Oh, it's gonna make a mess. This is so.
I want to put it in.
Wait,
the-
hold on. Look, look, look. Let's show them. Look how.
I want to do it.
Look, you see that? Look, you can turn it upside down. Look, it won't go. Okay, so add that to the bowl. It's gonna be really hard, so maybe you're just gonna have to mix it. See? Yeah, it's thick, so just it's okay.
Oh, no.
That's okay. No, it's supposed to do that. It's gonna do that. That's what it's gonna do. Just-
I am not a person.
Yes, you were.
I'm like to this age, like I don't like things sticking to another stuff.
I know. Okay, so it said stir. Hold on. 15. Using an oven mitt, remove the cup and pour water into another cup, keeping the gum base in the original cup. Stir the gum base with a stick
What the heck?
until it's smooth. If it's not soft enough, pour some of the water back in. Add 1 to. Uh-oh, we were supposed to smush it before we were supposed to stir it before we added the gum base. But that's, yeah. So this first step was a fail. So good thing we have more. Let's try number 2. All right, so let's get the next bowl. So this is number 2, guys.
I want to pour it in.
Okay.
Why I want
Just pour a little bit.
Wait,
Let's just.
wait. Where's our spoon?
The spoon has sugar on it, so let's just
I
pour.
want to pour it.
Okay, so pour in. Good girl. Pour. Keep pouring. I think that's good. Okay, so add water. Okay, just cover it with water. Okay, just add a cover, and then we're gonna head back to the microwave. Oh, that's good, I think. So
Oh, I
let's
put a lot of water.
That's okay. All right, so we'll be right back. Okay, guys, look. Okay, so now I think we're gonna go ahead and pour a rolling pin, and you're gonna softly go ahead and like.
I am good at rolling.
Yeah.
I know how to roll.
Yes, roll it.
Guys, this is how I smush. This cream. Oh!
So this is what's supposed to be looking like, flat. You see they got hard again. Now it's too hard. We gotta put it back in.
Oh
Okay, one more time.
no. I'm sorry.
That's okay. Excuse me?
I was doing horrible.
No. This is your first time doing this. So we're gonna put a little bit more water.
No, it's not my first time because this was Play-Doh.
Yeah, but Play-Doh and gum is different. Play-Doh's a lot softer. Okay. One more time. Water.
I put the water in.
Okay, water. That's good. Microwave it.
Guys, this is my first time rolling and I did a pretty good job
She
for
did
my
a great
first time.
job.
I did a good job for my first time.
Okay, so now we add 1 tablespoon of the gum base.
Okay.
If it becomes too hard to stir, you can heat it up in the microwave for 5 to 10 seconds. If your recipe calls for food coloring, add it now. We will give your gum a solid color.
I hope it works. Please work.
I know. So let's add
Please work.
another tablespoon. Another tablespoon. Yeah, not too much. It's like, oh man, this already got hard. So we're probably gonna have to add it in the microwave because it's already hard. Oh my gosh, feel my fingers. They're so sticky. Feel it? Yeah. All right, so this already feels hard. So I'm just gonna go like this. Oh my god, like a pancake. So this is hard. So guess what?
You love pancakes.
Yeah, I like them. I don't love them. Oh my gosh, this is like worse than slime. What is this? Harlow, touch it.
No.
Here,
No.
touch it.
No.
What in the world? It's surely turning into gum. I can tell you that. Oh my gosh, look at this. Do you guys see this? Oh my gosh. All right. So next we have this going. So what color, Harlow, are we gonna use for the food coloring?
I know all of it.
Okay. So we're gonna put that there. So get your food coloring for her.
Okay.
It's fine. Okay.
Alright.
So go ahead.
And one drop.
However much you want. It's your creation. Okay. Oh, that's a lot, Harlow. Okay. I don't think you need any more.
Wait,
Next.
this one.
The next one might be too much. It'll change the texture of the.
Let me just try one more. This one, I really want to try this.
Yeah. Okay. Don't put too much. Just put like 1 or 2 drops. And you gotta do it fast because it's gonna get hard.
One.
2. I think that's good, baby. Okay. All right. Okay. Now let's see what the instructions say.
Alright, and then we mix.
The watermelon, but be careful.
Is this watermelon?
Let me check. This one is mint flavor. This one's watermelon. This is the watermelon. Okay, go ahead, open it. Oh, you did it. Okay. So just add a little bit. What does it smell
It
like?
smells like cotton candy.
Oh, that does smell like cotton candy. Okay, I think that's good. I'm sorry, Harlow. This is the confectionate sugar. This is the citrus acid. Not sure
Do
what
you know what
that's
this
gonna
looks
use.
like, Mom? Do you know what this looks like?
What does that look like, baby?
That looks like snow.
It does look like snow when we bought fake snow for Christmas.
Yeah,
it does look like that. Sugar. Now open the powdered sugar.
I will open.
This one is gonna make a big mess, so can I just cut it and you pour it? Okay. So now it's time for pouring. It's a lot of ingredients, guys. Alright. So 1 tablespoon is gonna be one of this sticky mess. Oh Lord have mercy. One of this. So you pour. It smells really good.
This
The
smells
sugar.
like ew.
No? You don't like the way it smells?
I don't know.
Okay, I think that's good, babe. Oh, okay, that's good. A lot of
I
sugar.
want to pour it.
Oh, sorry, you can mix.
Alright, I'll mix.
Alright.
Okay, I'm gonna mix.
Okay.
Can you do it?
Yeah, I'll put it back in there. I'll be right back.
No.
What?
I'm gonna mix.
Mix? Let me see. If it's too hard, then yeah, it's way hard.
It's like a booger.
Ah!
Hard.
A hard grain boogie. Do you know how they say booger in Spanish? Moco. Say it. Moco. Oh, it's still soft. So let's just, I'm gonna use my hands because I don't care if I get dirty. Harlow, do you care if I get dirty? It's okay if you do. Oh my gosh. I feel like we're making slime right now, except we're gonna eat this. Yeah, go
I
for
know
it.
I want to try, but if it's too sticky for
It
me-
smells, it really does smell like gum. Green. So we want to mix it. We don't want to see any of the ingredients showing. We just want to make it look like an actual stick of gum.
Oh my god.
We look like the Hulk or the Grinch. Do you know who the Grinch is?
It comes from Christmas and
Yeah.
he takes all of the presents.
That's true. Yeah. he's a real guy.
And Frankenstein.
Frankenstein.
Our hand look like that.
I know. We're getting ready for Halloween early, huh? I'm a frog.
I'm a green spider.
Ooh, I'm an alien. I have long hands and big hands and long fingers. I'm an alien.
I am
A princess.
I'm not a green.
Why? I could be green princess. Why not? Well, isn't that like the princess and the frog? When you kiss a frog?
Ew! Wait.
It's a fairy tale. Here, eat it.
Ew, no! You eat
I'll
it.
try it. Here, guys. Let's see. It tastes like gum. Try it. Wait, it's not mixed yet. Just lick your finger. Alright guys, I'm excited to try this.
I am not excited.
really good though.
I'm excited to get my grandma.
Can you break it in half and then get a half and you get a half and we'll try it together?
Yeah.
Alright. Ooh, you're strong. Look at her.
I can't do it.
Let me try. Don't. What happens? So guys, anytime Harlow says she can't do something, she has to say a positive affirmation. So what is a positive affirmation?
I'm strong, I'm blessed, I can do anything.
Perfect.
Oh, I'm doing it.
You're doing it. I told you. Perfect. Whoa! See? That's what happens. You turn a can't into a can. Alright guys, let's try this. Let's make it. I'm scared.
I'm scared.
I'm scared. Okay.
I'm scared.
I'm scared. The scaredest. I'm the scarediest of the scaredy cats. Alright, Harlow, you ready? Cheers it. Cheers. Let's try it. I'm only gonna take a little bite. Come on! I'm not gonna be the guinea pig. Oh my god. Harlow, you're cheating.
You just eat it.
Ew. Wow, delicious! Mmm, so good. They're green. It tastes like.
Give it to 1 to a 10.
It's like a 7. It tastes. Ew, my teeth are green. It tastes like gum.
It's like the leprechaun.
It's like a leprechaun. It tastes like when you.
Like for a leprechaun.
When you've been chewing a stick of gum for a really long time and it loses its flavor, that's what that tastes like and it feels like right now.
I'm scared.
Not bad. It's chewy. You did a great job with the texture. That's the texture of gum. Except the flavor just went away really fast. Overall, I'll give it like... I'll give us a 7. A 7. A 7 because I think we did a great job working together, teamwork.
Okay.
Harlow did a great job at kneading with the pin roller.
I give it like a 9.
Oh, you liked it. Good. So you can put yours in your little Ziploc bag, and if you want to eat it later,
I'm not gonna eat it.
no.
Oh, actually, I give it like a 2.
Oh, that means you lost flavor really fast. All right, guys.
Well, guys, thanks for watching. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Click on subscribe. Bye.